Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing this camera lens kit from Ragu. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Okay, let's get started. So this kit comes with this protective carrying case, and it has a clip which you can clip to your bag. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Ta-da! Cool. First, we have this Bluetooth remote shutter. This is perfect for taking selfies without having to touch the screen. Then we have a cleaning cloth for wiping smudges off of your lens and camera. Here's the instruction manual. And this kit has a 1-year hassle-free return policy. And we also have a tripod. It's so cute. This clip here is where you put whatever lens you want on and just clip it to your camera. It has rubber paddings on both sides so you don't scratch your phone. Here's the phone holder. The tripod is slim, but it's pretty solid and stable. This phone holder is really good, and my phone fits perfectly even with the case on. We have 5 different lenses. I'm gonna go ahead and test all of these lenses to see how they work. Let's start with 2x telephoto lens. In my opinion, this is a decent camera lens kit. I like it. My favorite would be the wide-angle lens because I love taking group shots and wide-angle scenery. With the macro lens, at first I had a hard time capturing a really clear close-up photo, but eventually I was able to figure it out, so I was able to capture a decent, really close-up photo, which is awesome. What do you think of this kit, guys? Let me know in the comment below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye!